India's infrastructure transformation is being reshaped by PM Gati Shakti, a master plan that envisions modern infrastructure built on integration and coordination. At its core, the initiative brings together railways, roadways, and other modes of transport under a unified planning framework. This integrated approach strengthens multimodal and last-mile connectivity by ensuring the seamless movement of people, goods, and services across economic zones. In line with this vision, the Cabinet has approved 4 highway development projects across different states. The first approval pertains to the upgradation of the Hevar-Kheri, Roshni, Ashapur Rudi and Deshgaon Julwania section of National Highway 347B in Madhya Pradesh at a cost of Rs 4,415.60 crore. In its second decision, the Cabinet has approved the construction of a new coastal highway connecting Rameshwar and Paradip in Odisha. The project will be implemented at a cost of Rs 8,300.79 crore.
And this is a very important project because this project will basically provide huge economic boost to the people living in the coastal areas. And the economic activities in the coastal areas of Odisha are multifarious. From betel nut to fishing to rice farming.
With a financial outlay of Rs 7,597.16 crore, the Cabinet's third decision relates to the widening of existing 4-lane stretches of National Highway 63 and National Highway 563 in Telangana. In its fourth decision, the Cabinet has approved the upgradation of the Kagadia-Purnia section of National Highway 31 and National Highway 231. The project has an estimated cost of Rs 3,936.05 crore.
इस पूरे सीमांचल जाने के रास्ते में खगड़िया से पूर्णिया इस पूरे सेक्शन में काफ़ी हाईवेज बने इन 10 वर्षों में और पूरी रोड कनेक्टिविटी ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई है. इस ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग रोड कनेक्टिविटी में और इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएं और जनता की जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं तो उसके तहत इस सेक्शन की लेंथ है 144 किलोमीटर्स और कॉस्ट आएगी 3,936 करोड़ रुपीस.
Together, these projects across Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana and Bihar reflect the scale of India's infrastructure ambition. In this process, it helps reduce logistics costs, improve cargo handling efficiency and shorten turnaround times. As these highways take shape, they serve as a symbol of growth and progress for India.